Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today guys, we're gonna play a mini game. I know I've done a lot of accidents and continue to. Sorry about that. I just needed this. With this one, I'm gonna finish it if I can. Today, we're gonna play mini games. That's the title. Whatever. Map by YXHJH.U. Whatever. Each mini game has its own rules. Take the main card there. Where? There's that. Where? New mini games. Try the original mini game first. No, I don't. Yeah, I can go back. Adventure, blah 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 blah. I didn't see it. Blah blah. This Why did it say there? When it's here. This is a fast minecart. Fast. Oh, turn the tools into the chest after used, okay? First, let's get out. Take party. Okay. Rules. Take one of each two and stand on the trapdoor. 2. When ready, press the button to start. 3. Break blocks as fast as you can. 4. First to reach gets the cake. Okay. I think this is a multiplayer minigame. This is it. I think it is. Yes, no. Take one of each. Stand on the trapdoor. And ready first. Okay, this is a multiplayer. I don't like cake part. Here's the multiplayer. What's this? Sniper Turfers. Oh, I like sniper. Rules. Take turns shooting the button. Wow, whoever shoots the most targets wins. Collect arrows to play. Wow. Collect arrows to reset the game. Okay. What can I get about? First, oh, so, yes. Is this infinity? Yes. Yeah, got this. This is a multiplayer game. All of this is a multiplayer mini game. Destroy this guy. Oh yeah, third one. Rose, go to your team's side and why is there a multiplayer? 2. Start when everyone's ready. 3. Shoot your opponent to score points. Guys. The team with most kills wins. No going out of the arena and no shooting. Shoot the TNT to explode your opponents. Spectator zone. When they're dead. There needs to be bed for spectators if they die. Yes. You can't play this. I'm just gonna explore this. Maybe next time I have friends to play with. Next time. How about here at the front? The sand pit. Wow. That's nothing. Maybe no rules. Take the flint and steel and build it up the wood. My embarrassing baby as much as possible. Survive the longest in this trap arena to win. You can play it multiple times by going down and play good. Remember, light up the ceiling. Okay. Bye. Oh yeah, the other one. Pirate's cannon. Ooh. Rose, take a boat and bow and arrow each. Enter your boat and shoot down your enemies like pirates. Do not shoot the boat. Aww. I cannot probably do that. But maybe guys, we can invite like cousins or friends to play with this in this map. And it's gonna be awesome. Don't know if you guys. But you can download this in MCP Master 0.0.0. It's only available for that. Okay, bye! Whatever, I'm copying dancing my favorite YouTuber. And my favorite YouTubers are DanceDM, Popular Armos, and Skype. And if you want to subscribe and slice that like button for another map. And actually I'm gonna play this if I have friends. Oh, there's another part there. I didn't see that. I didn't see. Wild mess. Oh, this is creepy. Rose, take the knockback stick and hit your opponent. That's when standing wins. Oh. I see. Ah! Oh, I fell off the map. Oh, goodbye, guys. Oh no, there's a zombie. Better quit this.